panagmaymaysa, sikat malaglagip ko, jak malama iwaksi, isumiplot akarayo, bilangit ibitbituen, iti asul alangit, mabasak tanagan mo, kas nayarpus nga ulit. Sa diwa apuloy mga prusto'y bibig ko, mangekot arasaas analailo, nasuni nga imnas liwliwala, ito'y puso sikat na magurusing to'y karayo. Di panagmaymaysa, ladawam isuts ilaw ko, di makeltay anam nama, matagikuak ayat mo. Intong dumteng ti aldaw, bukod tanto niragsak, ibuk-ibuk tu di langit, ang nanayon na ayan. Sa diwa apuloy mga prusto'y bibig ko, mangekot arasaas analailo, nasudi nga imnas liwliwada, ito'y puso sikat na magurusing to'y karayo. Intong dumteng ti aldaw, bukod tanto niragsak, ibuk-ibuk tu ti langit, ang nanayon nga ayan, ang nanayon nga ayan.
Okay, din nga ro dapoy ti umuna sunata. Kumusta na kabaranggayan? Thank you so much Ate Ami, Engineer Benny. Thank you so much Commando Radio. Ayos ba tayo dyan? Sa mga bagong bukas ng kanilang mga radio, di kiti baro nga kaluklukat lang, di kiti radyo da. Naimbag nga oras yung kakapsat, kabaranggayan, at timanan ti mini concert tayo. Then Bautista kay Chino Romero 3 Decades Mini Concert, tilang DWRS Commando Radio. Namiss ko po kayo. Umadanin ti Paskwa. Asa ng aking gift? Merry Christmas. Handa na ba kayo sa Christmas? Dapat yung mga katulad kong Katoliko ay linisin po natin ang ating puso. Kung may mga kasalanan po tayo, mag-confess po tayo. Ha? Huwag niyo pong kalimutan yan. Hindi lang ang Christmas ay pang-gift o party-party. Dapat magdasal tayo, humingi ng kapatawaran sa ating Panginoon dahil yun nga ang rason kung bakit pumunta po siya dito sa lupa. Alright? Para po sa ating mga commenters, magandang oras po sa inyo. Salamat po at nariyan kayo. Agyamanak tada kay manandita. Agkom-comment. Dagitimit nag-react, nag-thumbs, nag-heart. Diyos una-una itiyag ngina. Basahan tayo ito madamdama. Di kaya nag-heart, nag-react last Sunday. Okay? So, ngayong oras na to, yung mga nagtatam, nagre-react, babasahin ko naman po sa next episode. Alright ba? Okay. Excited na po ako dahil special po ngayong linggong ito dahil marami na naman po tayong isa-celebrate ang kanilang mga kaarawan. Yung iba late na. Ay, yung iba naman advance. Diba? Ganun lang naman. Sa-celebrate po natin mamaya sa Daniel Samiweng ang birthday ng ating sponsor, ating kaibigan, smule partner na si Pearl Cawagas Dizon, dating taga-Abra pero at Danity, California. Okay? So abangan po natin mga kaibigan, mga kabaranggayan. Okay?
May sa arabii nga inak nagpaspasya, may sa asabong tiin na nasarakan, et bulong na pa'y tiin na pinasbasa, day takanagan mo biyag ko, isukan ti na iletera, inulik ti puon, kinalangtay ko di sanga, nagnagat nga ruden, ninjak med nagdisudaga, nagsat tuy anges ko, ading ko agapuken ka, tadi ka man ngamin inyesnek, taasin nga urayek. May sa arabii na inak nagpaspasya, may sa asabong tiin na nasarakan, ket bulong na pa'y inak binasbasa, day takanagan mo biyag ko, isukan ti na iletera, inulik ti puon, kinalangtay ko di sanga, nagnagat nga ruden, nganjak met nagdisudaga, nagsat tuy anges ko, ading ko agapuken ka, tadi ka man ngamin inyesnek, taasin nga urayek, tadi ka man ngamin inyesnek, taasin nga urayek.
Okay nga Rod, yun po ang isang awitin na naman at eto na ang mga nag-react sa ating mini concert last Sunday. May nagulat si Gina Aninion de Mayo at may nakamiss sa akin Nilda Teniosa at may mag-thumbs up naman, of course, si Kagawad or Kagawad Rainer Aquino, Ber Aquino of Kinarayan, si Thomas Pikit Doron, Gilbert Dalodong, Gasman Ernest Joe, Tony Boy Menos Saba Palacol, Larry Olivas Orata, Florida Balasa, Ryan Bataan, Choleng Ferrer, Alberta Panday, Beth Figueres, Alma Amit Parel, Emelia Pakpako, Eden Vizquera Gamboa, Teresa Palaganas, Hermina Arboniator, Muriel Alcantara Noriega, Villahermosa Leia, Linlin Betty Orolasa, Francis Miranda, Celi Mujar, Mariela Molina Ravena, Jason Rendon, Richard Tensico, Rose Waine, Maria Gapate, Francis Miranda the Singing Vendor, Lourdes Monteroso Alden, Carnain Sendad, Nelly Royales Gocor, Esmeralda Patungan, Rosemary Apaga Balmes, Cornelia Inday Leison, Black J. Rab, Priscilla de la Riman, Felix Abaten, Victoria Paraan, Imelda Ped Tapiceria, Shiril Ocampo, Dan Lloyd Esguera, Abandamia. Meron din mga nag-heart, si Lucia de Guia, Catherine Bautista Caraang, Choleng Besina, Marilyn Campilia Etrata, Norma Gonos, Arjim Gari, Elma Adora Leandelar, Victoria Luisa Laraga Negrillo, Ami Balbuena Esperanza Glenda Sobalnap Shimiso, Dimple Bautista, Fulgencia Villorente, Victorio Miriam Macabeo, Jofel Asuncion Soriano Landingin, Juliet Bautista Guerra, Florente Chalarsipin, Jean Pascua, Agnes Sullivan, Flor de Lisa Ortiguero Floresca, Marlon Agustin, Jeff Angeles Pascua, Jenya Orale Norcio, Lady Mirna Herrero, Losi de Guia, Maricel de las Socias, Almarile Salazar, Esperanza Conarco, Lolit Aguirre, Nida Cabantac, Lico, Eva Tomas, Yolanda Castro, Nenita Lagbagnaw, John Jacob Broso Jr., Arnelio Tubonrin, Emilita Stiller, Tessa Odadem, Timotea Gablines, Wilma Aquino, Virginia Cruz, Rosalie Onso, Faye Oliveros, Cristina P. Cortez, Imelda Santiago Corpus, Jess Albao, Mercy Simpson, Lea Fuentes, Purificación Central Jumawan, Nicanora Osio, Teresita Katimbag, Annabel Cruz, Maria Misamen Cabinoy Villar. At timanan ti nasamit asunata at paay kadakayamin na sangapada ket agyaman ang unay kada kiti at comment ken nagsi-share kada kiti Ilocano songs tinimotibian.
Biag ko sapsapulan ka, apay adi ka makita, gimanaw ka tuy dena, adi man lang nagpag-ada sa tiyan mo kita. Biag ko ay sumubli ka, malmalday to'y kararwa, nagururay ken ka, when biag ko sapsapulan ka. Sa dintiyan mo ita, biag ko ay sumubli ka, malmalday to'y kararwa, nagururay ken ka, when biag ko sapsapulan ka. Nagururay ken ka, when biag ko sapsapulan ka.
At yun po ang isa na namang awiting Ilocano song. Pero hindi natin napasa lahat yung mga nag-react kanina, mga kaibigan. Si Celedonia Tandok, Emma Contreras, Remy Canada Q, Marie Misames Kabigunay Villar. Ayan. At nung sinare ko po, ay marami ding nag-react. Nako, paano kaya ito mga kaibigan? Tingnan nga natin kung sila din. Si Ver Velasco, Helen Pascual, Clarita Mayrina Langas, Gina Singh, o iba po. Si Floreme Bukil, Agel Pianar, Flor Arabr, Josephine Barbon, Melinda Mendoza, Amparo Dino, Jean Yap, Miguel Magallanes, Francine, Jarlisco Ayuste Balido, Florida Balasa, Elma Adora Landar, Eddie Boy Torres Tadle, Bert Banquerico, Teodora Albarracin, Lilia Aquino, Imelda Arellano, Donsoy Agapay, Merna Sabasahe, Ana Marie Realco, Edna Sagittarius, Miranda Macapagal, Merinciana Mata, Zenaida Agustin, Mayua Aurelio, ang hirap naman ang name niya, Lenor Katakat, Lita Toong, Alberta Panday, Marilyn Ornopia, Erlinda Gigona, Maria Luz Donasco, Herminia Gasmen, Nora Ibarra, Angelina Sentina Pagyo, Connie Laejao, Marie Ranyaga, Elsa Paquinto, Maria Lea Banquiran Briones, Marie Retina Sarmiento, Modesto Gutierrez, Eduardo Padrigo, Virgie Almenanza, Fulgencia Villorente, Victorio, Nitz Concepcion, Jo Army Montero Brillantes, Elma Suliben, Nora Carpio Marinas Cabalce, Florentina Chararsipin, Yolanda Chen, Carmencita Mariano, Efrenila Quito Salta, Estrelita Pasco Gaudiano, Helen Frenal, Nene Alado, Wilma Mata, Mi Marpat, Ricky Cabanit Loreto, Lina Binoy Paltasar, Teresita Santorio Galeno, Jenya Orale Norpio, Virgie Pixon Polio Ceciliano, Glo Icabad, Lina Aquino, Los Biminda Arches Gabana, Juanita Hamilton, Nida Ramos, at Isaret Rasalaz, Jocelyn Tiate Sila, Salvacion Pastor Gonzales Sion, Norma Abayon, Geraldine Rimpilo, Celine Avila, Maridel Ilar Socias, Ani Abenoja Reyes, Ben Carillo Castro, Yoli Ranola, Yubi Niday Mariambel, Nobelin Benson Bayudan, Rob Rodavias, Conchita Agustin, Erlinda Pepeliero, Maria Sanita Barnata, Peggy Kia Florna Barrientos. At ito'y tinasamita sonata na daw ti album tinimotibiyang musika ni Ben Bautista Paiken Ka, composed by Lito Ilar and Rogelio Yasani.
Diyak tumauma amang buybuya ladawang nabati lagi kukenta kinayawam kakay sunarik na nupay lapunusen nga tuy kararawa iiriridep ko adi ka makita gubuayen at nakasan at ang tagainit amang parnoy iliw adi agresa numapukaw ko ladawang nga iikutan parnuayen naman manakanak alu patinggana taday taladawa ang makikita isusilaw ko dusyak tayag may maysa kinayawam kakaisong naarik na lupay lapunusan na tuy kararawa parnuayen naman manakanak alulwa pinto mabubos awan patinggana taday taladawam ang makikita isut silaw ko nusyak tay agmay maysa isut silaw ko nusyak tay agmay maysa
Okay nga Rod, bisitahin naman natin ang mga nag-comment po, mga kabaranggayan. Si Emily Estopalia, good night morning idol. Sabi niya, Marlon Rosete, nice song idol. Erlinda Papaliero, congrats. Telma Coria, congratulations. Maria Belia Antes Orante, Merry Christmas idol. Rofina Resusta, congratulations idol. Maria Florenda Gidocos, good afternoon, Idol Ben. Merry Christmas po. Nati Ordonez, good evening, Idol. Advance Merry Christmas and God bless you. Floreme Bukil, follow natin siya. Good day, sir. Zenaida Castro Mendiza, Merry Christmas. May Chinese po, hindi ko alam ang kanyang pangalan. Maria Conchita Tiliosa Margalio, magandang hapon po, Idol. Congrats, thank you po. Marico David, Marico David, Mi M. Marpat, ang ganda ng boses, hindi nagbabago. Advance Merry Christmas, Idol Ben. Hindi ko alam kung sino ka. Chinese ang iyong pangalan. Senaida Agustin, Merry Christmas po. Priscilla de la Riman, hello Idol ko. Happy watching from Butuan City. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Daniela Potulin, salamat Daniela. Helen Molina Nicolas, congrats Idol, Merry Christmas po. Nida Corona, Merry Christmas ito, Idol Ben. Okay, Salvacion Pastor Gonzales Season, good afternoon po, Idol. Jarlis Co Ayoste Valido, good morning, Idol. Adelaida Villa, Merry Christmas, Idol. Okay. Estrella Divina Gracia Balala, good afternoon, Sir Ben. Advance Merry Christmas too. Felicia Estrada, Idol Ben. Kay Chino Romero, Merry Christmas. Okay. Ayan. Ayan na mga kaibigan. Naubos din ang mga nag-greet. Okay. Tingnan natin na kung meron pa. Ay, talagang sila lang mga kaibigan. Okay. Tingnan naman natin dito po sa Chinerco kung meron. From Emily Estopa. Siya rin pala ito mga kaibigan. Okay. Salamat po sa mga nagsishare. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Sana hindi kayo magsasawa. Hanggat mag-asawa kayo, sana nandiyan pa rin kayo. Okay. Sa mga nagko-comment pa rin dyan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mamaya naman, sa Danny Ken Sammy Weng, basahin naman po natin ang mga comment po mula sa aking YouTube channel na Musika ni Ben Bautista Paay Ken Ka. At ito'y tinasamita sonata na polwantis si Kalata. Sabi ko mato magustuhan niya. Ipimanaw ka din na inkarima sublianan na tapnon parok busen ta dirimusin nga ayat ta inuruuray ka imnas dagsangga sa tanap ayat tuy pusok ket nalpay nakarualit ay tadi kan mauray kaya't ku kumati mang lipa liniwliwak ibagi ti ara ngem mapayan umausawan ag sublimet panaas si Kalata di ikikis na naulila arik na sa dinumanti ayan mo ita kasem na kumak denggem asukuken ka si Kalata di patpatek ko mo ket no magsat tumantoy anges ko si kantulat na biyag ko si Kalata ingat tungpal tanem ko inuruuray ka imnas dagsangga sa tanap aya tuy pusok ket nalpay nakarualit ay tadi kan mauray kaya't ku kumati mang liat liniwliwak ibagi ara ngem mapayan umausawanak ag sublimet panaas si Kalata di ikikis na naulila arik na sa dinumanti ayan mo ita kasyan na denggem asukuken ka si Kalata di patpatek ko uray linipat mo ket no magsat tumantoy anges ko
si kantulak na biyag ko, si kalatayin gatungpal tanem ko.
Ito yung Nilang Bautista kita duwaki nila kumakanta ani
Ate Kati,
ataga
UA.
kumaglaw ka na kayo tinaragsa ka Paskwa
Kenagasa tabaro tawentay amin na sangapada.
At di ka magkabaranggayan nyo, kumablaw, naragsa ka Paskwayo, mangipapaay tinapudno a serbisyo. DWRS, Komando Radyo.
Dinto pulos amatawaran, panagserbini iti tangatang, napanglaw ka man, wenno nabaknang, sisasagana kam, apagtaklinan.
Iti daytoy a Paskwa, agsisinararay, tayo kuma. Apresyaren tay titunggal maysa, bigbigan ti bendisyon tinamarswa. Iti daytoy a Paskwa, iwaksitay ni gurang-gura. Ipariknat ayat pagarian ti kapya, agkakabaranggayan agkay kaysa.
Adto'y kam akabaranggayan nyo, kumablaaw, naragsak a Paskwayo.
Mangipapaay tinapuno a serbisyo, iti itaken uray intun ka ano. Iti daytoy a Paskwa, agsisinararay, tayo kuma. Apresyaren tay titunggal maysa, bigbigan ti bendisyon tinamarswa. Iti daytoy a Paskwa, iwaksitay ni gurang-gura. Ipariknat ayat pagarian ti kapya, agkakabaranggayan agkay kaysa. Ipariknat ayat pagarian ti kapya, agkakabaranggayan agkay kaysa.
Hello. Is it me you're looking for?
I've been alone with you inside my mind, and in my dreams I've kissed your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted, and my arms are open wide. 'Cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. And I want to tell you so much, I love you. sunlight in your head and tell you time and time again how much I care. Sometimes I feel my heart will overflow. Hello, I've just got to let you know, 'cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you. Is it me you're looking for? 'Cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you.
Hello! Welcome po sa ating Danny Ken Sammy Wedding. At special po ngayon dahil meron po tayong celebrate na belated happy birthday to Ate Pearl Cawagas Tison. Yan, pasensya na at makakasabay-sabay ang inyong mga birthday. Ayan, happy birthday, more birthdays to come at salamat sa iyo. Alright, from Florentina CP, I'm surprised when you texted me about my poem Best Friends Forever and that you'll add a melody to it. Of course, I'm overwhelmed and said yes. Thank you, the idol. I'm honored and humbled. Aba naman. From Linda Agustin, hello idol, blessed Sunday. Watching from Zambales, Merry Christmas idol, God bless po. From Pearl Cawagas Dison, blessed Sunday idol, and to all viewers as usual. Your mini concert always entertaining us. Love all your songs. Ate first poem, beautiful, and congratulations to all these male superstars. Beautiful duets, big applause to all of us. Thank you, Idol Ben. God bless us all. From Agnes Sullivan, blessed Sunday, Idol Ben, and your family. Thank you, Teresita Agarano. Congratulations, Bunso, for this beautiful and wonderful mini concert today. Merry Christmas, everyone, from Quebec, Canada. From Yolanda Hara, wow, wonderful song, so well by great performer, Idol Ben. Okay. From Lenny Raffles, wow, I love song, very beautiful song, Idol Ben. Ang ganda na mini concert mo, Idol, always blessed day. God bless you. From Lenny Raffles of Davao City, Mindanao, Philippines. Kumusta po ko kayo dyan sa Mindanao? May Christmas ba dyan o wala? Sana nga meron. From Emma Contreras, good morning, my idol. Amparo Magday, blessed Sunday everyone. Happy watching to the mini concert of our idol Ben Bautista idol. Sobrang lungkot naman ang opening song mo. Crying time again, pero perfectly done with your magical golden voice. Splendid, fantastic performance. God bless and more blessings and power to you. God bless you, especially to your family. Okay. From Priscilla de la Riman, happy listening, watching from Butuan City. From Nicanora Osio, happy and blessed Sunday, Idol Ben. Bautista, I just happy watching your 3 decades mini concert because I attended a meeting in our subdivision. Better late than never. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year 2026. God bless and to your loving family. Okay. From Kiara Akso, Idol watching from Davao. Oy, kumusta po kayo dyan sa Davao?
Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. You said hello, and I turned to go, but something in your eyes left my heart beating so. I just knew that I'd love again after a long, long while. I'd love again. It was destiny's game, but when I finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever, like a song in the night. Now that I'd love again after a long, long while, I'd love again. It was destiny's game, but when I finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Beautiful girl, I'll search on for you till all of your loveliness in my arms come true. You made me love again after a long, long while. In love again, and I'm glad that it's you. Beautiful girl.
Hi, Ate Karen. Wishing you nothing but the best. Enjoy your day. May God bless you more and always. Happy birthday, Ate. God bless. Happy birthday to my beautiful and very humble adding, Pearl Kawagastizan of Peñarupia, Abra, but now residing in California. Thank you for considering me as your manang friend, even though we haven't met in person yet. I love that about you. I love the sweetness and the loving ways that you do every time we chat in Messenger, every time you comment on my post. Thank you for those sweet, sweet things that make my heart leap for joy. And thank you also for the songs that you sponsored for our idol Ben to sing and to join him in Smule is a retreat for me. I just don't know that the songs of Engelbert Humperdinck are my favorite songs. I hope that in the near future, we're going to see each other in person. That would be the best time in my life. Again, I love you, Ading, and happy birthday, and God bless you.
Happy blessed birthday to a truly kind-hearted woman. Today, I thank God for your life and for the light you bring to everyone around you. Your gentle spirit, compassion, and humility reflect God's love in such a beautiful way. On this special day, I pray that the Lord continues to strengthen you, guide your steps, and surround you with His unfailing grace. May He fill your year with peace, joy, good health, and blessings that overflow. May every desire of your heart be granted according to His perfect will. Stay wonderful, stay faithful, and stay the blessing that you are. Once again, happy birthday, Ate, and may you have more birthdays to come. Thank you so much for everything. We love you!
Ayon po mga kaibigan ang pagbati. Ayan. Wow, daming love sa'yo, Ate Pearl. Alright. Tuloy po tayong basahin ang mga comments po sa aking YouTube channel, Musika ni Ben Bautista Agpaikan Ka. At kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe, please, subscribe naman kayo dyan. Mga bagong subscriber, welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. Meron pa akong 3 channel. Yan. Ben Bautista kay Chino Romero. Ayun po ang main. At isa pa pong karaoke and vocals of Ben Bautista kay Chino Romero. At itong ginagamit po natin sa ating mini concert ay ang Musika ni Ben Bautista Agpaikan Ka. Alright? Subscribe naman po dyan, ha? Okay. Okay nga rod. From Elena Fernandez. God bless you, sir. And Ben, happy Sabbath day and good day. Happy Sunday today is a blessing. Pakinggan ang boses mo, sir. Makawala ng pagod. Gusto kong awitin aking ina. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Salamat po, Elena Fernandez. From Priscilla de la Riman, you're welcome always, Idol ko. Ben, bagay sa'yo kulang green na t-shirt, alam ko yan, ang favorite mo. Oo. From Maggie Abrea, hello Idol, advance Merry Christmas. From Yolanda Hara, nice song sung by Idol Ben Bautista for birthday celebrants, Mariette Tago. From Brigida Fabro, watching from Bawang La Union, Philippines. Kumusta ka dyan sa Bawang La Union? Very nice song sung, amazingly, perfectly by Idol Ben Bautista daw. From Yolanda Hara, wow, very nice song sung perfectly by Idol Ben Bautista. Yeah. Priscilla de la Rima, I love this beautiful song with your wonderful voice, Idol. Okay. Eric Gumabat, my paboritong singer, Idol. Aba, salamat, Erica. Asan ka ba? Tiga saan ka? Ha? From Kiara Akso, Merry Christmas, Idol, sa buong pamilya. Hello to Michaela. Oy, hello daw, Michaela. Hello din daw po. Joyful Christmas jingle song of DWRS sung happily by Idol Ben with both great singers, Miss Natalie and Ma'am Pearl. Ayan. Ligaya Nerison. Hello po, happy Sunday watching from Manila. God bless. Ay, maraming taga Manila ang nakikinig, ha. From Mary Grace Dalanon, awesome. Leopoldo Antipor, listening to your song brings joy and happiness to all us. Alawen, best regards to everybody named Bag na oras tayo amin from Leo Antiporda. From Virginia Pondivilla, it's beautiful songs, I love it. Okay nga rod, narito na po ang isang tula. At ang title ng tulang ito ay Pearl of the Mew. We always sing together, though we've never met before. We're not really far from each other, but time keeps closing the door. Still, I'm hoping someday we'll meet, shake your hand, give you a hug, say thank you in person for all the support and love. Pearl, your name shines like your face. Beautiful, the moon hides in grace. Your gentle smile, your baby face, touches hearts that long for a warm embrace. You're the pearl of this mule, your voice so soft, smooth as cotton, lifting spirits aloft. You bring joy to the lonely, you make hearts move. Pearl of this mule. Wow, yan po mga kaibigan. At ang tulang yan ay sinulat po ni Oni Leva. Okay? Salamat Ate Pearl sa iyong support sa ating mini concert, sa pakikipag-duet po sa akin, sa pag-support mo, pag-sponsor mo sa aking mga ginagawang awit. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Sana hindi ka magsasawa at sana makita na rin kita in person soon. Diba? Sabi nga ng tula, magkalapit lang tayo pero abot kamay na pero wala pa rin. Hindi pa rin tayo nagtatagpo. Salamat at nakipag-duet ka sa akin nung una at hanggang ngayon ay nakikipag-duet pa rin. Salamat po at hindi ka nagsasawa. Sana hindi ka magsasawa. Alright? Here's a beautiful song to everyone. And shout out to Pearl Cawagas Dizon of California. Happy birthday.
I found the love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll see her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love. my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look pearl tonight. Pearl Kawagas Diesel. Happy birthday.
Dito ni Ben Bautista kita buwakin nila kumakanta ni
Ano po?
Ataga.
Santiago
Waglaw ka na
Locosur.
kayo, tinaragsa ka Paskwa.
Ken nagasa taparua kawen tayo ani na po.
At di ka makabaranggayan nyo kumablaw, naragsa ka Paskwayo, mangipapa ay tinapudno a serbisyo. DWRS Komando Radio.
Dento polo sa matawaran, panagsarbimi iti tangatang, napanglaw ka man wenno na baknang, sisasaganakam a pagtaklinan.
Iti daytoy a Paskwa, agsisinararay tayo kuma, apresyaren tay titunggal maysa, bigbigan ti bendisyon tinamarswa. Iti daytoy a Paskwa, iwaksi tay higurang-gura, iparignat ayat pagarian ti kapiya, agkakabaranggayan agkay kaysa.
Ato'y kang akabaranggayan yu kumablaaw, aragsak a Paskwayo.
Mangipapa ay tinapuno a serbisyo, iti itaken uray intun ka ano. Iti daytoy a Paskwa, agsisinararay tayo kuma, apresyaren tay titunggal maysa, bigbigan ti bendisyon tinamarswa. Iti daytoy a Paskwa, iwaksi tay higurang-gura, iparignat ayat pagarian ti kapiya, agkakabaranggayan agkay kaysa. Iparignat ayat pagarian ti kapiya, agkakabaranggayan agkay kaysa.
Ayun po mga kaibigan ang Smil Superstar of the Week para sa ating Christmas jingle. Alright, narito na po ang pinakahihintay natin ng pangatlong bahagi ng ating mini concert, ang The Smule Superstars of the Week. Pero isa lang po ang aking Smule Superstar ngayon dahil birthday po niya at nag-celebrate po siya ng kanyang kaarawan. Siya po ang aking makakatunggali ngayong oras na ito. Ayan, isa pong napakabait na Smule Superstar ang aking kapartner. Isa pong napaka lambing ng kanyang boses. Ayan. Napakasipag. Isa pong caregiver po dito po sa Amerika. Ayan. Mabuhay po ang mga caregiver. Katulad po ni Ate Pearl Cawagas Dizon. Once again, happy birthday. And to your sister, Angelita Cawagas of Hawaii. Ayan. Bago po yan, gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang ating Commander Radio. Ganon din po ang ating station manager, Ma'am Rosario Chato Alda, ang ating concert production coordinator, Ate Ami Buagayan, ang ating sound engineer, Benny Malikal. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And hello to Ninong Leo Antiporda of Lawag City. Eto na po mga kaibigan, Pearl Cawagas Dizon. Dahito ni Ben Bautista, kakadwag, kinaya ako makanta ani
Manong Pearl,
at taga
Peñarubia Abro.
nakasagana ka
Buena din ko.
para kada kay amin sa pikumat mo gusto niyo. Mat-mat ang dagitoy matag, di ta mabasam kaririknag. Ibuks ilang nga daditoy kaunggak ajak may peksa, babaen iti balikas.
Agka dagita ibig mo,
Wow!
riknaem barat pamateg ko. Ibalod ka kadagiti arakup ko na namemayat anap nuan dungo.
Ipaikot na sinaw ngayat, awan sa bali ikariken ni sapatan. Si kalaeng obiyak, tuy biyag aging ganap, ang eskul tay magsan. Agsadag ka, tituy barong alingagem, itik-tik-tik puso.
Apupen ka kadagitoy dakulap, papayayan ka kas napateg agameng ko.
Ipaikot na sinaw ngayat, awan sa bali ikariken ni sapatan. Si kalaeng umiyak, tuy biyag aging gana, ang eskul tay magsat. Ipaikot na sinaw ngayat, awan sa bali ikariken ni sapatan. Si kalaeng umiyak, tuy biyag aging gana, ang eskul tay magsat. Ipaikot na sinaw ngayat, awan sa bali ikariken ni sapatan. Si kalaeng umiyak, tuy biyag aging gana, ang eskul tay magsat. Ipaikot na sinaw ngayat,
kariken sa pata. Si kalaeng mabiyag, biyag aging dana, ang eskul tay magsag. Si kalaeng mabiyag, biyag aging dana, ang eskul tay magsag.
This is Van Bautista, aka Chino Romero, California, with
Ari Pearl,
all
California.
wishing you all
A Merry Christmas.
and a Happy New Year.
Kay lamig ang simoy ng hangin, nagsasabing Pasko na'y darating. Sunod-sunod mga pamaskong awitin, o kay sarap, sarap tingin.
Mga parol kay gandang pagmasdan, patay sindi parang nagsasayawan. Christmas lights na kumukuti-kutita, kaarawan na ng tagapagligtas.
Pasko sa Pilipinas, wala itong katulad. Kahit kapos sa pera hindi ligtas, may handang pagkain masasarap. Pasko sa Pilipinas, wala itong katulad. Mayaman o mahirap, lahat masaya tuwing Pasko sa Pilipinas.
Kahit puyat, gigising ng maaga. Buong pamilya, sila'y magsisimba.
Misa de Gallo, siyam na araw na nobena, paghahanda sa kaarawan ng lumikha. Pasko sa Pilipinas, wala itong katulad. Kahit kapos sa pera hindi ligtas, may handang pagkain masasarap. Pasko sa Pilipinas, wala itong katulad. Mayaman o mahirap, lahat masaya tuwing Pasko sa Pilipinas. Pilipinas. Wala itong katulad. Kahit kapos sa pera hindi ligtas, may handang pagkaing masasarap. Pasko sa Pilipinas, wala itong katulad. Mayaman o mahirap, lahat masaya tuwing Pasko sa Pilipinas. Mayaman o mahirap, lahat masaya tuwing Pasko sa Pilipinas.
May babating ka ba?
Oh, sure. Hello to my families, to my relatives, and to all my friends, and to all the viewers. You have a great day. Thank you, and you too, Idol Van, have a great day.
Okay nga ron.
Okay, nga ron.
I have often told you stories about the way
I lived a life of a drifter, waiting for the day
when I take your hand and sing you songs, then maybe you would say,
come lay with me and love me, and I would surely stay.
but I feel I'm growing older, and the song that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune.
Are you having fun?
Yes, I am, Idol Van.
Take it away.
Many times I've been a traveler, I looked for something new.
In days of old when nights were cold, I wandered without you.
But those days I thought my eyes had seen you standing near.
Though blindness is confusing, it shows that you're not here. Now I feel I'm growing older,
and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance
like the sound of a windmill going round.
I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune.
I can hear the sound of a windmill going round.
I guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune.
Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune.
Sikatin mo na.
Okay, manjay katuday, bulong na humay payapay, sabong natisim magaysay, bunga na meten tay kumidakyuday.
Nukumalang mabaling, pagbalina kumaasingsing, nga umay maibis-libisling, taramramay mo biyag kuno mabaling. Nukumalang pinyaka, urusen ka uray na galos ka, akanen ka uray na ataka, ket daytoy puso palumen na ka. Taem manjay katuday, pulong na umay payapay, sabong na tisim magaysay, bunga na meten ay kumidakiday.
Nukumalan mabaling, agbalinak umaasingsing, nga umay mangipis-lipisling, taramramay mo biyag kuno mabaling.
Nukumalang pinyaka, urusen ka uray na ganos ka, akanen ka uray na ataka, ket daytoy puso palumen na ka. Akanen ka uray na ataka, ket daytoy puso palumen na ka.
So everyone, we are Kilakir. Are you ready?
Yes, I
Before
am.
we sing, I would like to thank Ate Milagros Esteban of Kuwait for my beautiful outfit, and Cora Javier for sponsoring these beautiful tracks. Hope we don't have to say the word.
People sit and talk for hours, discussing if the love they've got is real. You don't ever say it, 'cause I know exactly what you feel.
People keep on talking by the weather, spending words on important things, staying in a corner, listen to our hearts that sing.
We don't have to say the words, we live by the love that's in our eyes. If we're feeling good or bad, we don't have to say it, we don't have to say the words. Sometimes I can feel you read my mind, babe, that I'm an open book for you.
Ain't never hard for us to find love.
always I'm coming through to you. Whoa, we don't have to say the words. We live by the love that's in our eyes. If we're feeling good or bad, we don't have to say it. We don't have to say the word. We don't have to say the word. We live by the love that's in our eyes. If we're feeling good or bad, we don't have to say it. We don't have to say the words. We don't have to say. My plans of love cannot be broken. Like precious jewel, it holds my feelings. The cords that binds our hearts together, the only witness to our pleasant dreams.
My plans of love cannot be broken, and I believe it's there with you forever. If I must die to lose the love you gave, again I'll come to life to pledge my love again.
That couldn't take you away from me, 'cause I'll take your love with me. Promise me that you will be true to me eternally.
My plans of love cannot be broken, and I believe it's there with you forever. If I must die to lose the love you gave, again I'll come to life and pledge my love again.
That couldn't take you away from me, 'cause I'll take your love with me. Promise me that you will be true to me eternally. My pledge of love cannot be broken, and I believe it's there with you forever.
If I must die to lose the love we gave,
Again I'll come to life and pledge my love again.
Thank you.
Don't stay here by my side. If we should stay apart, I'll be so lonely, so lonely is my heart.
Darling, I'll be full of sorrow. Now are my dreams tomorrow. My life is nothing without you, so don't ever leave me. Please don't ever go.
My darling, no, I can't go on. I can't face this world alone. Our destiny is only you and me. I beg you, my love, please stay. My darling, no, I can't go on. I can't face this world alone. Our destiny, it's only you and me. I beg you, my love, please stay.
Go away, my love. Please stay by my side.
If we should stay apart, I'll be so lonely, so lonely is my heart.
Ayun, tapos na. Maraming salamat, Ate Pearl, at sa inyo pong lahat. Sana po nakapagbigay po kami ng konting kasiyahan ngayong araw na ito. Hanggang sa susunod na linggo, sana abangan niyo po ulit. Ito po ang inyong abang lingkod, Ben Bautista kay Chino Romero, nagsasabing walang ibang mahal si Chino Romero kundi kayong lahat. I love you all and Merry Christmas!